Just introduce yourself for a
Yeah,
minute.
hi, this is Manu from Zindine Industries. So, telling about Indus as a small group from Cochin. So, we have gathered to, first of all, it was a lot of ideas was coming in between us, and it was a knowledge sharing session. And like what Indus aims, it's co-innovative and collaboration. So, it is bringing more and more ideas what our counterparts or the similar kind of industries or even the other kind of industries, what they are doing, what are the best practices that they are coming up. And going ahead, we are expecting the same, that getting more and more information from SAP side, and we can have a thought process also among ourselves, how it can be, how we can bring that into our systems to make our business run better.
So, one simple question is, you've attended now, this is your second meeting or third meeting?
Yes, this
second
is my
meeting.
second meeting.
So, what is it that has worked really well? What is it that you think has helped you by attending these two Indus meetings that we have done?
See, first meeting, it was giving us a fair enough idea about the service marketplace and what it is doing. So we can go over there, and we have already initiated the process of health check due to some system configuration settings and all that is delayed a bit, now, but that process is still on, and we are going ahead to complete that particular process. So that was the idea which I got from the Indus meeting, first Indus meeting. So going forward, we are also looking more from the marketplace and how we can utilize that up to the maximum, as we are the customer, and we are SAP is providing the facilities, and we have to utilize that.
Okay. And what other things that you think as a user group Indus should do? What are the challenges, typical challenges that as a organization you face when it comes to SAP in your organization?
Yeah, even the SAP in Indus, new things are getting introduced, but still we have to look back in our existing system what is remaining unutilized. So like this system health check, and like more and more options have to come from Indus also to do a like system audit and the utilization factor of the system and what is unutilized, so that we can concentrate more on that area and utilize that better.
Okay. And do you think you have a story that you can share with our Indus members? As in, do you think you have done something interesting, or you have faced a challenge that you would like to share with other Indus members, wherein we can do a webinar or we can invite you to do a presentation for Indus members?
Yeah, actually, see, what I can share is, because my core competency was from SAP BI, so I can very well present it before them what SAP BI is doing and what value addition it is giving
To your organization.
to our organization, and what changes have occurred when we implemented BI and when the top level management have started using BI.
Okay. So how long has it been since you implemented BI?
It's nearing 3 years.
3 years.
3 years. It's 3 years.
Okay. Super. If there is one thing that you would want the Indus board members to know, what would that be?
Indus board members.
So they decide what activities that Indus needs to do over the next year. So we are planning a strategy meet in January, first 2 weeks. And if there is one message that you would like to tell them, that okay, please do this, or please ensure that this activity gets done, so what would that be?
Yeah, that is a point which I have quoted before also. That is the unutilized part of our SAP system.
Okay.
Because we have invested, our other companies, they are also invested in